Hey guys! We've got a bunch of fun and silly slime pranks for you so you can beat summer boredom. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Crafty Hackers to be the first to see our videos. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Now it's time for some prank wars. Here we go! Coffee. Grab some marshmallows, Nutella spread, and powdered sugar. Melt the marshmallows in the microwave for a few seconds. Stir the melted marshmallows into this gooey batter. Add a couple spoonfuls of Nutella and stir some more. Keep stirring until it's all mixed together. When making slime from marshmallows, it's important to add powdered sugar to keep the slime from sticking to your hands. Stir it up again. When it gets super thick, use your hands to knead it together. This is sticky ridiculous. Now put it in a disposable coffee cup with a lid. Sprinkle powdered sugar on top to make it look like coffee. Put the lid on, give it to your friend, and watch as they try to drink it. They will be so confused when nothing comes out, and totally surprised when they pull off the lid to discover the marshmallow slime. The powder prank. Want to trick your friends? Try this. Melt some gummy candies in the microwave for a few seconds. Stir them until they're all liquidy like this. Add powdered sugar to keep the slime from sticking to your hands. And stir, stir, stir. Keep adding powdered sugar until the mixture has this consistency. It should look and feel a little bit like silly putty. It's fun to play with, but you can also prank your friend by putting it in a powder case. Smooth it down so it looks like real powder, flip it over so it takes the shape of the compact. Then have a good laugh as your friend tries to put gummy putty on her face, thinking it's powder. She'll be super surprised when she pulls out that stringy slime. Gotcha! Shampoo. For this one, you'll need non-toxic glue, baking soda, saline solution, and an empty shampoo bottle. Open the shampoo bottle and pour the glue in. Add your saline solution, pour in your baking soda, and shake it up. You've got to shake it really well to combine everything. Your friend will be totally freaked out when she goes to wash her hair and slime comes out of the shampoo bottle. Let's just hope she's not the type to blindly dump shampoo directly on her hair, or she's going to need a lot of actual shampoo for this. Kinder Surprise Egg. Get some cornstarch, some water, some glitter, a bowl, and your Kinder Egg. Pour the water into the bowl and add the cornstarch. Stir it with a spoon and add the glitter. Keep stirring until the mixture thickens. So slimy. Now unwrap your Kinder Egg and carefully cut it open. Pull out the goodies and add your prank slime to the egg instead. Close it and wipe away any slime that's oozed out. Put the egg back together and wrap it back in the wrapper. Fold the edges so it looks brand new. When your friend opens it, she'll be in for a goopy, glittery surprise. And those are our slime pranks to help you get your friends in your next prank war. If you like these pranks, we've got more where that came from. Subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. See you around!